Welcome to Montierra, apartment home 7418. This is our Laguna floor plan, which is a 1,069 square foot dual master 2-bedroom. It has wood burning fireplace, central heat and air, spacious kitchen with plenty of cabinets and counter space and a large pantry. Being a ground floor apartment, it has wood style floors throughout. And nice large bedrooms that are 17.5 by 12 with nice big windows for great natural light. They also have walk-in closet with mirror and built-in shelves, as well as a bathroom in each room. Across the living room to the second bedroom, that again is also 17.5 by 12, which is a great size to fit a king-size bed and more. Finally, out on the patio is a walk-in laundry room where your full-size washer and dryer are located. Thank you again for visiting Montierra, apartment home 7418.